Hello friends, Tanya here with a video featuring these Spellbinders Assemble and Store Glimmer Hot Foil System. This will create a holder that holds 12 rolls of Glimmer Hot Foil, and if you are a member of the Glimmer Hot Foil of the Month kit, you'll fill this up in a year. It's so fun to be able to have lots of foils to choose from. Now I thought this was going to be cardboard. And I'll be honest here, this was sent to me by Spellbinders to share with you. And I am shocked. This is like MDF, that it's like a pressed sawdust board, and it is quite heavyweight. And it has I showed you the bands that hold this together, or they're stretchy. There are instructions on the back of the box, and there are two different shapes here. One's longer than the other, and they slide together to form the stand, the individual stand for each roll of Glimmer Hot Foil. Now this is the base, or the bottom row. This is kind of stadium style because the bottom, or the front one, is going to be lower than the next shelf. You push this assembled cone together, and then you push it through one of the slots in the platform, and then you use one of those stretchy silicone bands to attach over the part that protrudes through the bottom of the base. So you just slide this over the little feet that stick through the slot, and it's really quite simple. I went through and assembled all of the cones that go, or whatever you want to call them. I'm going to call them cones, and slide them through and put the little rubber silicone thingy on the feet. And then I did it on the top side, and when I was taking my pieces out of the packaging, I misplaced 1/2 of a cone. I do find it ultimately, but not before I finish this video. So I just assembled it with the pieces that I could find. Now I'm assembling one of the sides. I just put the little shelf foot through the slots for the sides, and I did one side at a time. I think the instructions say to do the bottom and then the top, doing both sides at the same time. I found this way better. However, watch that. I just broke one of my shelves. I had braced one end against my body and pushed against the other end with my hands and broke it. Don't do that. I do find a way to make this work anyway. This is not Spellbinders' fault. This is me being all rough with my stuff. Don't do that. So what I did to fix that was I took a 1-inch piece of cardstock, rolled it, glued it, used my tweezers to hold it so the glue would set, and propped it underneath that slot. Now that's where I put my I had my missing cone. I do ultimately find that cone, and I just slide it in to that space, and I don't use my little silicone band because, yeah, I broke it again. This is what it looks like with all of the foil on it. I love this foil station. It looks so pretty on my desk. If you're interested in one for yourself, check that description box below for a link. And until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.